Hey Jeremy, thanks again for taking my call today. This is Craig with Click Medias, and as promised, I want to get this video over to you and show you three quick tips of how to get your business ranking higher organically, and then also through the Map Pack, like we talked about earlier. A couple tips I think that will definitely help you right off the bat. There's three things mainly. It's content, it's citations, and it is backlinks and referring domains to your website. Starting with content, so your first page looks nice. What you're really missing is you need 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your front page. And obviously within those 1,500 to 2,000 words, you want keywords plugged throughout that people would search, buyer intent keywords that people are going to plug in on Google when they're searching for a business like yours. It's authoritative content that Google is going to see and rank you higher because they think that you're relevant for what someone's looking for. So that's number one. You just need way more words on your site. Number two would be, I know you talked about the Google My Business page, and you're 100% correct about getting pictures on there and things like that. 100% important, but citations is how these businesses are ranking higher. So like Georgia Pressure Washers, William Pressure Washing, Atlanta Pressure Washing, it's the number of citations and places their businesses are registered on directories. So if I go into a directory finder, this is called White Spark, and I go back to the search page. So these are the three people that were showing up there. They have 32, 32, 30, and you're at 19. So again, that's how many directories your business is registered on. So let me go to Georgia Pressure Washers real quick. As you can see, they're on Facebook, Bing, Yelp, Better Business Bureau. So again, all that is the business name, the business address, and the business phone number registered on these. So the cheap way to do it and the best way to do it is you go in and you register on all the ones that they're on, and then you would register for a bunch more. For example, we get people 200, 300 on 200 or 300 different registries to make sure that they have the most, and it's not something they have to constantly keep an eye on. And that would be definitely helpful to get you ranking in the map packs. And then number three is how many referring domains and backlinks come from other websites and then backlinks back to your website. So JamUp Solutions here, there's only 3 different websites pointing to your website, and that's through 6 different backlinks. There is 53 organic keywords, and it says it just drives a couple customers to your website every month. The information is not 100% correct on here. For that, you need your own Google Analytics that you can look at monthly, but this at least gives you an idea where you are compared to others. So if you go to the keywords in here, you can see where you're ranking and on what words. So your best position is 12th, which isn't bad. That's the second page. That's for pressure wash in Dawsonville. Roof cleaning, Macon, Georgia, you're up there for whatever reason. I don't know if that's where you're trying to rank, or I know you said you used to be down there, but I think when you were in the car business, but gutter cleaning, Dawsonville, Georgia, pressure washing, Buckhead. If you wanted to rank higher in these, it would really be about getting more backlinks to your page, and then again, more keywords. But let me go back to someone else. So your ranking is a 0 right now, but again, it's just because you don't have many referring domains, you don't have many backlinks. If you go to someone like Georgia Pressure Washers, for example, they have 332 organic keywords. They have 75 different websites pointing to their website with 194 different links pointing total to their website from other sites. That brings 258 organic customers to their website every month. So again, that's just the main difference, and that's something again that can definitely help you out with. But like I said, I'd love to help you. If not, you can always take these tips and do what you can with them. But if you're really looking to rank up high and you're looking to get on that map pack, it definitely will make your phone ring. There's a number of things we can do with the Google My Business. You can put a chat box right on there where someone can chat directly with you from your Google My Business. It's all about path of least resistance. We want people to be able to search for things they're looking for, see you up top, click on you, and give you a ring. And like I said, I know you were talking about getting billboards and stuff on Windward. I would love to help you. I definitely think that's a good idea, but I would love to help you also just month in, month out. More people come to your website. It's really the cheapest way to get a bunch of leads. So Thanks so much for hearing my video, and I'm going to send this to that email you gave me. And then on top of that, I will text it to you as well. I'm not sure if that phone number was your cell phone, but I think it was. But I'll get this over to you and let me know what you think. And any critique is welcome as well. Thanks so much.